At GESS Security and Sound, we offer full-service integrated security designs and solutions for your cannabis processing facility, laboratory, dispensary, or retail establishment. From intrusion detection, access control and intercoms, to real-time monitoring, our experts will work with you to recommend a custom security design that suits your needs and that is in compliance with all required regulations by Health Canada. GESS Security and Sound is committed to helping you get your license to operate. We can assist you in selecting the appropriate system, taking care of installation, setting up real-time monitoring, and providing training to appropriate personnel on how to use these systems. All systems come with full reporting and management software, giving you complete assurance that your business is protected 24/7. In the event of an unauthorized forced entry, the system can immediately alert select personnel by signaling a localized strobe siren or a remote notification from a monitoring station. Other means of intrusion detection include a panic or duress button, vibration sensors, surveillance camera line detection, glass breakers, and more. With over a decade of experience in all integrated solutions, you can expect professional expertise, meticulous workmanship with high standards, and exceptional customer service, all while meeting your deadlines. If you're looking for a reliable expert contractor who not only understands your needs to comply with Health Canada regulations, but who is also committed to fully protecting your premises, let us save you the time by taking this project off your plate. Give us a call today to inquire and book a free on-site quotation within the Lower Mainland.